Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another interesting tutorial of candle making for all of you, and that is henna candles. So isn't it interesting? We are going to work with henna on candles. So before that, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can watch all the videos that I upload here on my channel. So let's get started. For this project we'll be needing some white candles. I have taken one pillar candle and one tea light holder. It's a wax tea light holder. Then some embellishments, henna cone. This is actual henna cone that I'll be using over here. Then 3D outliner, Mod Podge and brush. So at first I'm going to work on pillar candle with this henna or mehendi. So I'll just start drawing the design. I don't have any specific pattern in my mind. I will just randomly draw the design. Always keep a safety pin and a spare cloth handy to clear the tip of the cone. So I have completed one side of the design, and I'm using this golden color hearts. It's a foam sheet heart for decorating. It has got a peel off sticker at the back, so just remove it, and once the henna design is dried, you can just simply stick it like this. You can also use half pearl beads or sequins or small stones for decorating. I'll use one more. I'm not a henna artist at all. My purpose is just to show you how to do henna designs on candles and how we can even light these candles. So pardon me if my work is not that clean and clear. So this is one side which I have completed, and in a similar way, if you want, you can cover all the three sides of the candle. I just wanted to show you this, so I have covered just one side, and now I'll be showing you how to do it on a tea light holder, white tea light holder, with the help of 3D outliners. We are yet to finish this candle one. I have drawn the design, but I am yet to seal it, so that part I'll be showing you at the end with both the tea light holder as well as with the candle. So now let's just start working with the tea light holder with 3D outliners. I have completed the design on the light holder as well, and I have stuck these silver hearts on this for decoration purpose. So this is how my light holder looks, but it is a bit wet. So at first I'll start working on this because it is completely dried now. So after drawing the design on the candle, it is very important to seal it like how we do it on decoupage with all the projects, be it on candle or any other surface. So just take a Mod Podge and with the help of brush gently start applying on the design. So what will happen is this will seal your design completely, and when you light the candle, this mehndi or henna will not fall off. It will stay intact on the candle, and it will only fall off when the candle will start burning. Suppose you are lighting the candle, and when the candle starts burning downwards and it comes over here, then this design will start to fall. Other than that, you don't have to worry. If you don't want to use 3D outliners, then this henna is a cheap and inexpensive mode which you can always use on candle. You can also gift these candles in weddings as mehendi favors, because these are very much in trend and they look gorgeous as gifts. So this is how I have completely sealed the design with Mod Podge, and I'll let this dry. This Mod Podge dries clear, so you don't have to worry about the white patches that are visible right now. This will be completely clear and it won't be visible. So once it dries off, I'll do it on the other one, and then I'll show you how we can use these. So guys, my candle has completely dried. The Mod Podge has completely dried off, and this is how my pillar candle looks after lighting. And I have kept a small candle inside the light holder, and I'm going to show you how it looks after I light it. So you can see how nicely my light holder is glowing. I'll just switch off the light and show you the glow. So you can see after switching off the light how nicely my light holder is glowing, and you can see the beautiful hearts glittering on both the candles, and especially the light holder with the mehendi design. So guys, do try these beautiful candles out, and you can even make simple designs if you are not pro with mehendi like me, and you can just draw simple designs using normal henna or 3D outliners, and you can gift it to your friends and family, and these make a great gifts. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.